Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will try to learn about RTO timer, a retentive on-delay timer in Allen-Bradley PLC. So before start this lesson, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will make it upload from my PLC or any file. We can choose it from our PC, and after we can make modifications. So I will delete this old program and we will create a new program. Simply we can use one internal or external bit, and second we choose one our timer, which is the name of RTO. RTO timer is basically retentive timer, means when you give the signal and when it starts execution, and after in between the during running this timer, if power supply will be gone, or if you close this execution enabling point, after your timer will be start at that point where you stop. So I choose this timer T4:0. T4:0. This is a 1 second timer. Time base is 1 second, and preset value, for example, we will give the 10 seconds. And this internal bit or external bit, any bit you can use. I use my first bit of my PLC. Go to the input library and you can choose first bit and drop and drag it here, and your bit will be fixed. And second, this will also we choose one bit of this T4:0, which bit use the timer, that bit you can choose, but here write no problem T4:0 slash dot ACC, because we were using the accumulate time to this timer. Sorry, here we need to be write it ACC. T4:0 T4:0 slash ACC accumulate time. And if you like to give the comment, you can give it comment, otherwise leave it. And here output, I will take one output for out 2:0/1, or any you can choose 1 or 2, which bit you like to be. And also you can choose it from here from output, which you need first output or second, third, fourth, 15 up to 15, which is in my module. You can choose. If you need this first bit, you can choose it here, right? And simply in between we will make it here one bit, also one timer more we will use, and this same bit we will use, that I:1/0, and timer we will choose, this is on delay normal timer T4:1, and time also we will give the 10 seconds. And here also one open contact of T 4 colon 1 4 colon 1 slash ACC, and output we will take out colon 2 slash 2, and check compile the program. And what's the problem? T4 colon 0 cumulative time we use this of the, but we need this, sorry, done bit. We don't need this cumulative time, we need the done bit, because when this will be done, after this will be on, and download to the PLC. Maybe our RSLogix is not open, so it's so not okay. This is when we give the execution, this both timer will be start at same time, but we see what's the difference in these timers. See, for example, we now started this timing execution and both timers are same started, but in between this, here I close that execution, this timer leaves his value and this timer still have 6 value. This no leave, because of this is RTO timer, this is the function of retentive timer, because this will be never leave his value. Otherwise maybe power supply will go or you stop the execution, this will be never leave and this timer will be leave his value. And now for example, at this point I give the execution, but this timer you see start from where this value left, and this timer start from 0. This will be wait, see now, and this timer, now I stop the execution, but this timer is not leave the value. So what we can do for this function, because of we give new signal, you have to be leave this value, must be have to fix new value of, or if we like to be restart this timer, we have to be make one new program in this section, go offline, and simply here take one rung, and any bit you can take here, internal or external. For example, B3 colon 0 I will choose slash 1, and 1 in this field timer counter you can find this reset command. Which timer you like to be reset, that address you can give. For example, T4 colon 0 I want to make reset, and I will give this address, and this B3 colon 0 slash 1 is for my reset input function, and go to the download, again download. See now, when I give the signal at I1.0, this timer is started now, and I leave now signal, this time is still ready, 4 counts, but there is a 4 counts, and this timer leaves the value. And now again I give the value, this timer starts from 4, and when its time is completed, after it done bit will be execute and your output will be on, and this timer is 4.1, this is also execute. And as I leave the signal, see this timer goes to 0, but this timer no leaves the value, this is still 10 is ready, but I need to be reset this one. So what do I do? This bit I will, when I make it toggle, after this timer will be reset. See, now it goes to 0. As you give the signal, its time will be started when time will be completed, but after time completed, done bit will be on and your output will be on, but it will be not make reset. This will be continue. You can also say to this holding timer, when you give the pulse, this when finish his time, after this will be hold look like. This will be not leave. And as you give the signal at B3 colon 1, when make it on from internal bit or external bit also, you can use it here. I dot colon dot 1 dot 0 R1 R2 R3, any signal from output field also you can use in this timer. So I hope guys you understand about this timer, a retentive timer and normal timer. What's the difference between these both timers? This timer leaves his value and this retentive timer not leave his value. This will be store the value which you give in this, and from where you stop the execution, this will be start from there.